Sobrang tagal ko naghanap, sobrang tagal ko naghintay. OMG guys, finally dumating na yung pinakahihintay kong package from Buy and Ship. I-unbox na natin. Ito na siya guys. Look! Oh my God! So ayun, finally nagpabudol na rin tayo dito sa DJI Osmo Pocket Creator Combo. Sobrang tagal ko naghanap, sobrang tagal ko naghintay. Lahat ng mga DJI stores na napagtanungan ko, walang stocks nito. Palaging ubos yung stocks. So buti na lang, I can buy directly sa DJI website mismo. Ang pinili kong website na bilhan nito is DJI Hong Kong. Kasi nung kinompare ko yung price nila sa DJI US, so pag kinonvert into peso, mas mura yung sa DJI Hong Kong. Nabili ko to around 4,899 HKD. Pag kinonvert into peso, nasa 36,000 plus siya. Yung SRP price naman nito dito sa atin, sa PH, is 37,490. And so, siguro itatanong nyo, paano mo naman napaship yan dito kung sa Hong Kong mo pa yan in order? So, ayun, for the shipping, I used Buy and Ship. Ginamit ko yung warehouse address nila sa Hong Kong. Doon ko to pinadeliver. By the way, free yung shipping fee from DJI to Buy and Ship warehouse sa Hong Kong. And then, dun lang ako nagbayad ng shipping fee from Buy and Ship warehouse to shipping here sa bahay namin. Buy and Ship kasi nakadepende sa weight yung babayaran mo na shipping fee. So, for this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo, yung weight niya is nasa 2 pounds. And ginamit ko yung DDP kasi more than 10,000 pesos yung amount ng item. So, for the DDP, yung first pound is 620 pesos. And then, the succeeding pound is 520 pesos. So, since this is 2 pounds, ang binayaran ko na shipping fee is 1,140 lang. Sabihin nyo, almost the same price naman ng SRP price dito. Yes, almost the same lang. Pero at least, hindi ko na kailangan maghintay pa. Sobrang bilis lang na-deliver. Nagkaroon lang ng konting delay since lumipat si Buy and Ship ng warehouse nila sa Hong Kong. But other than that, super smooth lang ng naging transaction ko with Buy and Ship. At ilang beses ko nang ginagamit si Buy and Ship sa mga purchases ko abroad and super reliable, super maaasahan sila. Kaya naman, super marirecommend ko talaga na gamitin nyo si Buy and Ship kung may mga gusto kayong bilhin abroad. And alam nyo ba, kapag nag-sign up kayo sa Buy and Ship, pwede nyo gamitin yung code ko na BNS Monique para makakuha kayo ng 400 pesos shipping credits. Magagamit nyo yan as discount sa shipping fee. So yun lang for today. Abangan ng unboxing ng aking DJI Osmo Pocket 3.